Happy New Year! Happy New Year! I don't know exactly when you are going to watch this video. शायद 31st December को, just before that 12 am, maybe 1st January, I'm not sure about it, but I wish you a very happy New Year. I wish a lot of joy, laughter will be there in this 2022. But have you ever planned the year ahead? Have you ever set a goal for a year? If yes, then were you able to achieve all those things? Did you achieve all the things what you have planned for? Did you accomplish all those things? If the answer is yes, then congrats. If it is no, then today. Because as per the statistics, it's saying that 80% New Year resolution and goals, they don't meet their requirement. They're not able to reach their goal. They're not able to achieve all the things what they plan. But today I'm going to share a secret. What we do normally in our community. How to plan your best year so far 2022, and it's gonna be a rocking year. Whatever goal you're going to fix, you're gonna make it happen. But how to do that, I'll share with you. Yes, but before doing that, let me tell you, my name is Kaushik Datta and we are on a mission. You are on a mission to help at least 100,000 people, to help them to have a pill-free life, to have a life with a 20s energy, to help them to get all the energy, all the youthness back. We would like to help them to get their 20s fitness back. And in what I feel, fitness is all about aligning your body, mind and spirit. It is not only workout, it's not only diet, it's not only about yoga or spiritualism. It should be the combination of all. Because your body, when there is some problem with your body, then it reflects in your mind. If some problem is in your mind, then it reflects in your body. So we do a approach. We take an approach. It is an integrative metabolic approach, integrative part of your life. We combine everything so that ultimately we achieve that happiness of our life. Okay, so we'll jump into that topic further. So the first thing is we need to understand, most of the times we are not able to reach our goal. एक ही reason है उसका बस एक ही reason है, that is we don't know how to set goals. Yes, I'm sorry to say we don't know exactly how to set goals. Because हम क्या कर लेते, वो उसका resolution है न्यू ईयर में weight lose करना. चलो मेरा भी resolution है, मैं भी गोल फिक्स कर लेता हूँ, मुझे भी वेट लूज करना है, मुझे भी 6 पैक्स करना है, मुझे भी फ्लैट टमी चाहिए. बट ऐसे नहीं होता है. बिकॉज योर गोल शुड बी अलाइंड विथ योर वैल्यू सिस्टम. बिकॉज एक चीज को अभी कभी मत भूलना, हम जेनेटिकली अलाइंड है हैप्पीनेस के लिए. फ्रॉम द वेरी एंशियंट एज, फ्रॉम द केव एज, तब से हम लोग हैप्पीनेस के पीछे पागल है. बट द थिंग इज, we find that happiness is same for all of us. Like उसको जिसमें happiness मिलता है, I'll be getting the same amount of happiness if I do the same thing. But that is not the true. शायद उसको abroad जाना पसंद है, but आपको शायद से घर के बाजू में कॉफी हाउस में बैठना पसंद है. That is your happiness. Who knows? And how you are going to find it out, I'll tell you. तो क्या करना है आपके उसके लिए? The first thing is get a flashback. Yes, get a flashback of your 2021. How you are going to do it? अब उसको करने के लिए आपको फोन चाहिए. हाँ, आपको तो फोन चाहिए. ऐसे एक फोन ले लो, मतलब आपका जो फोन है ऑफ कोर्स. तो normally if you are a person who take pictures of each and everything, then it is suitable for you. But for not like my kind of person, because I take hardly any photos if I'm going out or somewhere, because I don't take very, like if I'm shooting for my jobs, for my work, then it's a different thing. But if I'm going out for a like vacation or something, I hardly take picture. Now yeah, if I'm doing some video, then it is a different thing. So what you need to do, start watching all the memories. If you're not even into that zone, taking a lot of pictures, it's okay, but at least you have received some memories from some of your friends or somewhere, because you have collected a lot of memories throughout this 2021. So what you're gonna do, आपको 2021 के 1st जनवरी से 2021 के 31st December तक you need to scroll your phone and find all the photographs, all the memories. उसके बाद start asking yourself, कौन से memories make you feel good. कुछ भी हो सकता है, that may be a lot of, like in my case, but I can remember how we celebrated our Ayansh's birthday. We went to an ashram, we celebrated with a lot of orphanage. That is something amazing what we did in Ayansh's birthday. That is quite, I was happy, really happy. So ऐसे कुछ, मतलब whatever, I don't know, in your case it can be anything. Maybe you went somewhere, you had a good time with your friends, maybe you had a night out, whatever it is. Just start scrolling and you'll find there will be some moments which is giving you immense amount of happiness. So they are your happy moments. Reflect on them and they will tell you what is your happiness. And at the same time, you'll be finding some photos, that may be anything, even I'm not sure, maybe some person, maybe some report, medical reports or anything, I'm not sure about it. It can be anything. That may also tell you that you're not happy with those moments. Don't get attached with those photos, emotion. I know it is quite obvious that you'll feel nice with those photos, and because right now we are doing a flashback that is for to set your goal. So don't get attached with those photos, rather try to find out which of those memories giving you happiness and which are those memories giving you pain. So the memories which are giving you pain, that means you need to improve on that particular factors. It may be anything, maybe because of there is some problem with some friends. So that means you need to work on yourself. It may be anything, because that is giving you a chance. That may be starting meditation or starting studying philosophy of life. It can be anything. Maybe there is some medical issues, some medical reports, or maybe some you are getting tired while playing with the kids. That may be anything. So that is giving you a flashback that you need to work on that. So that should be your goal. Because our goal should be, we can maintain that happiness, and whichever is giving us pain, we need to start correcting all those things. So that is the way how you need to note down those points which made you unhappy as well. So you need to create a column like this: happy points and unhappy points. The points, like basically the events or memories which are creating happy moments and which are creating unhappy moments. Okay? Step 4. Now set a vision for 2022. A vision. What is your vision? What kind of life you want to live? Suppose like you have found 2-3 points which made you really happy, like you spent a lot of time with your parents because of this COVID season, and you had an amazing time with your partner, and somehow you had a clash, and then you just again patched up with a very good. So they are your happy moments. So basically they are making you learn that our relationship is so much precious to us. We can forgive for small things. So this forgiveness is something what you learn. So your vision should be excel this forgiveness. How to excel this forgiveness, how to learn you can start. So this kind of vision, and at the same time you need to start working on those pain points which created pain for you 2021. Maybe because of COVID you had a sedentary lifestyle and you started eating junks, and that made you face some problems in some medical issues. So they are giving you pain. So what you need to do, you need to set a goal for 2022 to have a good family life. Maybe you are not able to give good time, so you need to find out those pain points. So you need to put a vision for 2022, that I want to have a healthy, happy relationship and life. So that is kind of vision you need to set for your 2022. So that is your goal. And also you can create a vision board where you need to do what exactly you need to do in, like you need to set a vision and visualize yourself that you have already achieved that moment. Like if you like for a vision, like suppose you have a vision of running a marathon. Okay, so put a picture of somebody who is running marathon or long marathon, like 30-40 kilometers or 400 kilometers, something like that. So put a picture of that person on a vision board and put it somewhere which you can see every day in the morning, because morning time हमारा जो brain रहता है ना, that is in the alpha mode. So that will trigger your brain and you'll absorb that energy. So basically, ultimately, when you want to achieve something, your frequency should match with that state. So that will make you feel that you have already achieved that thing. So this is what you need to do. Set a vision for 2022 on a board and just put a vision board for you. The next step number 5, prepare an action plan. So your action plan, suppose you have a vision for you having a good relationship, or like spending more time with your parents. So you need to plan it accordingly. Suppose your yearly plan is to have a vacation with your, like go for a vacation with your parents and family. You need to set a goal, an action plan. When you're, so you need to ask yourself when you're planning, set the date. When you need to book a ticket, set the date, and when you need to when you need to apply for leave. So there should be an action plan. At the same way, if you want to start your fitness goal, that should be an action plan. What exactly you are going to do, what are the actions to be taken, and what is your goal, what is your vision, like after getting fit, after getting that peace in your mind, after losing that anger, how you will feel. Put that vision and take that action plan. What will be your action after 6 months, what will be action after 3 months, and split them into weekly action, because until you don't take action, nothing is going to happen. So that's why first put a vision and take the action. And nobody, I can give you it in written, if you follow those 5 steps, nobody will fail in the process of achieving your goal. No, till then, cheers to life. Bye bye. Have a really prosperous new year. Bye bye. Take care. Stay blessed. Cheers to life.